You've probably heard the buzz. Apple cider vinegar is one of the hottest trends in weight loss, but is it just another fad? What's the real science behind how it works? Today, we're diving deep into the truth about apple cider vinegar and why so many people swear by it for weight loss. Stay tuned, because the facts might surprise you. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV as it's often called, has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various health issues. Recently, it's gained massive popularity for its purported ability to help with weight loss. But does it really work? And if so, why? Today, we're going beyond the hype and breaking down the science behind how apple cider vinegar can actually support weight loss. We'll cover the real mechanisms at play, how ACV impacts your metabolism, appetite, and fat storage, and how to use it effectively for the best results. One of the key ways apple cider vinegar helps with weight loss is through its ability to control blood sugar levels. When you eat carbohydrates or sugars, your body breaks them down into glucose, which causes a rise in blood sugar. In response, your body releases insulin to help store that glucose as energy. But here's the problem. Frequent insulin spikes can lead to fat storage, particularly around your midsection. Studies have shown that consuming apple cider vinegar with a high-carb meal can reduce both blood sugar levels and the insulin response. A study published in the Journal of Functional Foods found that participants who took 2 tablespoons of ACV with a meal experienced a 34% lower blood sugar response compared to those who didn't. By preventing these blood sugar spikes and reducing insulin levels, ACV may help prevent your body from storing excess fat. This mechanism is particularly beneficial for people trying to manage their weight or prevent the onset of type 2 diabetes. For blood sugar control, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with water and drink it before meals, especially those higher in carbohydrates. This helps slow the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, keeping your insulin levels stable. Another powerful benefit of apple cider vinegar when it comes to weight loss is its ability to make you feel fuller for longer. Several studies have found that ACV helps suppress appetite, which can lead to a reduction in calorie intake over time. In one study, published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition, participants who consumed vinegar with a high-carb meal reported feeling significantly fuller and ate 200 to 275 fewer calories throughout the day compared to those who didn't take vinegar. This is largely due to the acetic acid in ACV, which is believed to slow down the rate at which food leaves your stomach, making you feel satisfied for longer periods. By reducing overall calorie intake without making you feel deprived, apple cider vinegar can be a helpful tool in your weight loss journey. To promote satiety, drink 1 tablespoon of ACV diluted in water before meals. This simple habit can reduce cravings and prevent overeating, helping you stick to your calorie goals. Here's where things get even more interesting. Apple cider vinegar may actually help boost your metabolism and increase fat burning. Acetic acid, the main component of ACV, has been shown to enhance the expression of certain genes involved in fat breakdown. A study conducted on animals and published in Bioscience, Biotechnology, and Biochemistry found that acetic acid increased the enzymes responsible for fat oxidation in the liver, leading to reduced body fat accumulation. While more research is needed in humans, the early findings are promising and suggest that regular ACV consumption could support a more efficient metabolism. Additionally, the same study found that animals given acetic acid had a significant reduction in body weight, visceral fat, and waist circumference, which indicates that ACV might help target stubborn belly fat. Incorporating 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar into your daily routine could give your metabolism the boost it needs to support fat loss. Just be sure to pair it with a healthy diet and regular exercise for the best results. One of the lesser-known benefits of apple cider vinegar is its ability to help your body detox and reduce water retention, which can contribute to bloating and weight fluctuations. ACV acts as a natural diuretic, promoting better kidney function and encouraging the elimination of excess fluids and toxins from the body. Thanks to its high levels of potassium, ACV can help balance your body's sodium levels, which is critical for reducing water retention. If you've ever felt puffy or bloated after a salty meal, this is where ACV can help. By flushing out excess water and supporting liver detoxification, it helps you feel lighter and more energized. Drink 1 tablespoon of ACV in a large glass of water first thing in the morning to kickstart your detox process. Make sure to stay hydrated throughout the day to support the body's natural detoxification pathways. Healthy digestion is key to effective weight management, and apple cider vinegar can play a major role in improving your digestive health. ACV contains probiotic-friendly bacteria that support a balanced gut microbiome, which is essential for breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and preventing digestive issues like bloating or constipation. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar also helps stimulate the production of stomach acid, which can improve the digestion of proteins and fats. This, in turn, reduces the likelihood of indigestion and helps your body process food more efficiently. A healthy gut is directly linked to a healthy weight. Several studies have shown that an imbalance in gut bacteria can lead to weight gain, particularly around the abdomen. By promoting a healthy gut environment, ACV can support both digestion and weight loss. To support digestion, mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar with warm water and drink it before meals. This can help improve nutrient absorption and reduce bloating. While apple cider vinegar offers numerous health benefits, it's important to use it correctly to avoid any negative side effects. Because apple cider vinegar is highly acidic, consuming it undiluted can damage the enamel on your teeth or irritate your throat. Always dilute apple cider vinegar with water before drinking, and avoid taking more than 2 tablespoons at a time if you have a history of acid reflux or ulcers. It's a good idea to consult your doctor before adding apple cider vinegar to your diet, as the acidity could worsen these conditions. As you've seen, the real reason apple cider vinegar helps with weight loss goes far beyond simple trends. From stabilizing blood sugar and boosting metabolism to reducing appetite and supporting digestion, apple cider vinegar offers a range of benefits that can enhance your weight loss efforts. However, apple cider vinegar isn't a magic bullet. To see the best results, you'll need to combine it with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and other healthy habits. But by making apple cider vinegar a part of your daily routine, you can take advantage of its powerful, natural benefits for weight loss and overall health. Do you already use apple cider vinegar in your routine? Let me know in the comments how it's worked for you. And if you're new to apple cider vinegar, give it a try and share your experience. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more health and wellness tips, and stay tuned for more ways to take your weight loss journey to the next level.